Yes.
One bail matter ballot I filed yesterday. If you should allow tomorrow one for this. Obviously.
Yes.
My lord, I beg to method for listing of 2 IAs in bail matters, my lord, to bring on record some subsequent developments, my lord. Day after tomorrow, my lord. Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship. I have filed an additional affidavit in connection with item number 14. The same call for to record, your lordship. Item number 14, your lordship.
Okay.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, I beg to mention a matter for listing on day after tomorrow, your lordship, a criminal petition. Your lordship.
Friday.
Yes, Thursday, your lordship.
What is the urgency?
The petitioner, he wants some permission to travel abroad, your lordship. There's a trial pending, and there was a order from this honorable court that without permission he cannot travel. He has traveled already once, your lordship, with permission.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I am praying for listing of a BA, my lord, from tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 15, Lordship.
Item 15.
Yeah, Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship.
Okay. List of the 3 on the prayer bill in the council for the petitioner. List of the 3 weeks.
I'm
May it please the lordship.
I beg to mention item.
This is compromise, is not it? This is a settlement on compromise.
Yes,
Okay. Yes.
2 weeks, Lordship. 2 weeks.
Yes. Next.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 52 of today's list.
Item
52, criminal appeal along with an IA under 389. It has been
Deferred.
deferred. So Lordship may kindly take it up on Thursday if
we
possible.
do not know.
All right.
No, already this is already.
Deeply
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 36, Lordship. CD was called for, CD is not available perhaps. 36.
Lordship, chassis submitted.
Okay. Any interim?
Petitioner was in interim, he appeared, Lordship, before the.
Search sheet
Chassis number
being
50/24 dated 28/5/24.
okay. Yes.
Your lordship, I beg to mention an IA in criminal appeal, your lordship, for listing, your lordship, on Friday, your lordship.
Next week.
Next week, your lordship.
Give it as next week.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 16. Kindly the matter may be adjourned for the date.
Item
16.
16.
Kindly a date may be fixed, lordship.
On the prayer of the learned counsel for the petitioner, let the matter be listed after summer vacation on. Give a date. 15th of July.
My pleasure, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a criminal revision petition for admission, Lordship. Maybe fixed on 18th, Lordship. No, Lordship, there is another criminal petition. This matter may be listed on 25th, Lordship.
Why?
Lordship, this is a newly filed
Fresh matter.
trace matter, Lordship.
So I'm praying for listing of bail application matter on Friday.
Motion,
Motion.
not Friday. Okay, Friday. Fine. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing for bail hearing, Lordship. On Thursday, Lordship.
Motion.
Bail hearing, Lordship.
Why bail hearing? No date fixed.
Lordship, no, sorry, Lordship.
Monday, next Monday.
Friday.
Next Monday.
Monday is vacation.
Tuesday.
Bless.
Yes.
May it please for your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 43 of the daily list, lordship. Lordship may kindly adjourn the matter for the day, lordship.
43 already adjourned.
Obliged, lordship. Lordship, there's an interim, lordship, that may kindly be extended, lordship.
No, we cannot pass orders. All matters are deferred. That interim order earlier will remain. It will presume that it is not listed today. Yes.
Obliged, lordship. Motion BA.
CD. When?
Already 72 days, Lordship, 90 days offense.
20 Lordship.
20.
Lordship, notice may be issued of POCSO section.
Notice to the informant. There are some other matters along with this? No,
Lordship.
okay, yes.
Obliged.
Policy notice to the informant in terms of so and so. Notification number 70. Let a notice be issued in academy.
May I
Yes.
please, your lordship?
Yes,
That's 439 application, lordship, all the other accused persons are granted bail, lordship. Lordship, I have annexed the order at page 27. After having the proceeding.
so you'll have to go to that
Six.
bench.
Lordship.
It will have to go to that.
No, you lordship has granted.
No.
No, I have a copy, lordship. This is that, lordship, after passing this order, I filed this petition. This is the order.
But the order you have annexed is,
Yes, that was also prior to.
okay,
But after filing this writ petition before that, this order will lordship pass this order. After seeing the CD. 29 days, lordship, 498 basic allegation, lordship. The investigation is progress, lordship.
considering period of detention. Who are you? You are
I'm the.
Husband.
Lordship.
Okay.
One.
others we have granted because they are relatives. 498. To the satisfaction of
CGM, lordship, Kamru,
CGM.
Metro.
Yes.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
Case diary.
Lordship, show on the rest, Lordship.
Case diary when?
Lordship,
Section
24.
Highly appreciated.
Case diary, notice to respondent number 2 in terms of notification 17. Date,
25. Lordship is taking item 4.
Item 4.
Item 4, Lordship, POCSO is not there.
not item 4 or 5?
4, madam.
4.
4, Lordship.
I thought it was 5. Which
Lordship,
case?
straight away come to page 15, Lordship.
Okay, CD, when?
CD, Lordship, 25, Lordship.
25.
Lord, can it be before?
Huh?
17.
নহব, নহব। তো full হয়ে আছে পুরো।
CD 24th.
25th, Lordship।
CD POCSO notification 17.
25th, Lordship।
25th.
POCSO, Lordship।
POCSO,
POCSO।
May I please, your lordship, the matter will pass over for the time.
no time being today. Either CD or next week.
CD को दिया।
Yes, CD.
Case diary, notice to respondent number 2, notification 17. Yes,
25th।
25th. Where are you apprehending?
The Lordship, I am.
You are habitual or what?
No, I never know any cases here.
Then why are you apprehending?
The mobile was recovered from my house. That is the only case police is charging me. I'm just.
That should be the case. If stolen snatch mobile is recovered from your house, matter ends there, CD. When?
25, Lordship।
25.
I please, your lordship. CD may be called for lordship, and notice POCSO as section is there, lordship. Kindly fix a fixed date, lordship.
Anyway, what to do? We're thinking of granting you interim protection. You have not prayed.
No, lordship, lordship.
You have not made a prayer.
If I am allowed, lordship, I must submit, lordship.
Why, who is not allowing you?
Lordship, there are
You have started your submission saying that CD may be called for a notice.
lordship,
We are supposed to grant you interim protection,
Lordship.
2 FIRs.
Lordship, two affairs.
2 FIRs on the same incident.
Second, lordship, in the second, lordship, my.
Oh, we know you are better than you. That's why we wanted to give you an interim, but you have not prayed.
Lordship, prayer is there, lordship, I may be protected, lordship.
Now it's not possible.
Lordship.
Now it's not possible. But, and you don't, you should not allege that you have not been allowed to speak.
Submit, yes.
You have started with a submission notice and CD. Before we could dictate that CD interim,
Lordship,
CD interim,
much obliged, Lordship.
After vacation,
considering the fact that on the same set of elections, 2 FIRs has been lodged. And also a nature of involvement of the present petitioner. This court is of the view.
Much obliged, Lordship.
after vacation, Lordship.
Within 10 days appear,
Yes,
you just said.
after vacation, Lordship.
She will again go with him.
Yes, Lordship. So far, 164 estimates are there, Lordship.
Vacation.
Lordship.
Vacation we should do.
23/7.
So is there, Lordship.
CD. Notice to respondent number 270. And notification date,
27, Lordship.
Huh?
27,
yes.
27/6.
Lordship.
Yes, what is this?
Section 4 is there, Lordship.
Section 4 is there, POXO?
Boxo, Lordship.
Yes. CD. CD, notice to respondent number 2, notification 17.
Lordship, already charge sheet has been submitted.
Charge sheet
Charge sheet submitted. Cognizance has been
Scan copies of
session special.
Scans copies of session special case number 37/2024 pending before the special judge Nalbari along with case diary of Mukalmua police station case number 554/2023.
11 is same. This is different.
11 is same. Okay. Same order. 2 accused. Yes. List, give a date. Last part of, no, after vacation, 16th of July. Yes, diary. Police officers searching others' house.
Without any
Now,
case.
now police are searching you.
Yes, I have inquired in the PI court as well as in the police station.
Mm.
No case is registered against me.
Now, you are apprehending arrest in which case?
That is the problem, no case is registered. But still police is searching the.
But you have written an FIR before the police.
Yes, I have lost and complaint before the SP regarding those police constable.
Heard, Mr. Swenson, the present application is filed apprehending arrest by which police station?
Bilashipura police.
By Bilachipara police station. It is the case of the petitioner that 3 police personnel, 2 constable, 1 home guard, searched the petitioner house on 1/6/2024, on 31/5/2024, and on 1/6/2024 without any warrant. Full stop. According to the petitioner, he searched for whether any case is pending. However, he could not find out any case. So accordingly, he lodged an FIR before the Superintendent of Police Dhubri on 5/6/2024, naming the aforesaid person Constable Shahjamal Molla, Constable Unus Ali, and Homeguard Komal Das. Full stop. Making allegation against these 3 persons. Full stop. However, nothing has been done in this regard. Full stop. The petitioner apprehends that he may be arrested at any time registering an FIR. Full stop. In view of the aforesaid allegation, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor, submits that he will obtain an instruction from the concerned officer in charge of the concerned police station as regards pendency of any case against the petitioner and the reason and circumstances under which the petitioners were allegedly searched by these 3 persons. Full stop. Accordingly, matter stands adjourned and be listed on
Monday, look, next month.
Monday. Till such Monday and adjourned from it on the said date.
18.
The learned additional public prosecutor shall obtain a report from the concerned police station. First of, till such report is submitted, it is provided that no coercive action shall be taken against by the petitioner in connection with any case that might have been registered under Bilasipara police station.
Developed.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
FIR is at page 8, Lordship. The occurrence took place on 27/4, but they lodged the FIR on 1/5, Lordship, after recovering the girl, Lordship.
Who is the accused number one? Bijoy.
Yes, Lordship. All are brothers, Lordship. But due to some family dispute, they have lost the FIR, Lordship.
Due to family dispute, why have you kidnapped her?
No, Lordship. They have lost the FIR on 1/5, Lordship. Why
And-
they have not lost the FIR on the day itself, Lordship?
Because according to them, they were searching.
They have recovered
Then
the
you have
girl on
Sunday and she
29th,
was found
Lordship.
in her sister's place.
On 29, they have recovered the girl, Lordship. Then also they have not lost the FIR.
Tell us the truth. Who is the boy? Who is her boyfriend? Which one?
Lordship, they have not mentioned anyone's name,
Then
Lordship, in the
CD.
FIR, Lordship.
CD.
Lordship, some protection may be given, Lordship. All are brothers, Lordship.
All our brothers, if we could have pinpoint who is the main culprit, then we would have granted interim to two others. That's why I'm asking all these questions. Yes, CD, when? 27. Sometimes take bold stand. Yes.
Lordship.
Your Lordship, I had
No,
filed an additional affidavit.
no scope today.
Your Lordship, may kindly peruse the additional affidavit, Your Lordship.
Heard. Mr. Deuri, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. Sharma, Sharma is a party? Huh? Full stop. Same replica statement.
Yes, yes.
The present application is filed. Under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973. For quashment of complaint case being CR case number 7490/2022 pending in the court of the learned judicial magistrate first class Kamrup within bracket Metro Guwahati. Full stop. The offense alleges are under section 403, section 406, section 420, section 34 IPC. Full stop. The further challenge is an order dated 19/8/2023 passed by the learned judicial magistrate first class, whereby cognizance of offense under section 403/406/420/34 IPC was taken. Full stop. Perused. Full stop. Issue notice returnable on after 6 weeks. 30th of July 2024. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon respondents. Number 2, Etudivo, Sharma accepts 1. For others, respondent number 2. Petitioner.
Number 1.
Peruse the complaint as well as the statement of the witnesses recorded under section 200 CRPC. Full stop. After perusal of the same comma, this court is of the tentative view that the dispute on the basis of which the aforesaid complaint is filed primarily a civil dispute, more particularly non-payment of salary to the complainant. Full stop. Considering the matter in entirety, it is provided that in the interim, it is provided that till the return of notice, further proceeding of complaint case number, CR number so and so pending before so and so shall remain suspended.
I'm deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
অসুবিধা ভরাই লব এইটো এখানে ভরাই দিম এইটো এইখন কৰাই দিম yes
17.
My pleasure, Lordship.
yes
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, will challenge the maintainability of the DV case number 18 of 2024, Lordship.
Hmm.
And order dated 21 to 2024.
why
Lordship, what happened in this case, Lordship? Initially, the mother, that is the petitioner number 1, has filed a DV case long back in the year 2021, Lordship.
Hmm.
Subsequently, one interim order was passed. And due to non-compliance of that interim order, Lordship, against the respondent number 1, one proceeding under section 31 was also drawn. Subsequently, that apart, Lordship, thereafter also, they continually torturing the petitioner number 1. And petitioner number 1 again filed one petition before the learned trial court
Hmm.
for Lordship effective enforcement of the protection order.
Hmm.
And subsequently, the protection officer visited the residence, shared household, and secured a place for the aggrieved person.
Hmm.
Now, after 3 years, Lordship, only in order to counterblast the case, Lordship, this application has been filed. And if your Lordship kindly go through the contents of the petition, Lordship will find the basic grievance of the respondent is against the non-registration of the cases by the police,
Hmm.
not against me. Only 2 instances have been reflected. And Lordship, the respondent number so far, the respondent number 2 and 3 is concerned.
now
Lordship.
you are aggrieved by order dated 21/10/2021
Lordship, that is the issuance of the process.
now there was an interim order.
There is no interim order, Lordship. Interim order was passed in
Earlier case.
earlier case,
And
which was
this is,
filed by the
this
mother.
is also a case of 2021.
No, Lord.
Order is of 2021.
No, Lordship. That is the order passed in the earlier case, Lordship. They have annexed that.
Okay,
Order.
which one you want? Which one is your challenge here? Which order?
Lordship will kindly turn to page 32, Lordship.
So according to you, impugn order dated 21 to 2024.
There is the
Where
issuance,
Where is that?
page 32, Lordship. Agree, Bonasri Boyso is present. Bonasri Boyso has filed a petition under section 12 of the PWDV Act seeking relief under section 18 and 23(2) of the Act against the respondent, namely Malati Boyso, Sanjeev Kumar Boyso, and Pranab Boyso.
Okay, notice has been issued. Now,
Issuance of the notice is under challenge and maintainability of the entire case, Lordship, DV case.
on what ground?
Lordship, this is the case, Lordship, which is filed only with an intention to counterblast that petition filed by the aggrieved person. That is the petitioner number 1, Lordship. And moreover, Lordship,
No, who filed the earlier proceeding?
earlier proceeding was filed by the mother, petitioner number 1, Malati Boyso.
Petitioner number 1 means here petition number 1.
Yes, Lordship.
Malati Bush, mother of whose mother?
Mother of the respondent, Lordship, Bonasri Boyso, who has presently filed DB case number 18/24. It
So
is the
it's
case
between,
between
not
the,
between mother-in-law and daughter-in-law.
no, Lordship,
It's
Mother
between
and daughter.
mother and daughter.
mother and daughter,
So initially it was filed by
mother.
mother. Then
In the year 2021,
you
Lordship.
understand there was an residence order also.
Residence order and Lordship, the interim order was passed on 3/2/2021
Okay.
in favor of the mother,
Ah,
not to dispossess the mother from the shared household
Hmm.
and not to commit any act of domestic violence.
Ah.
So thereafter, Lordship, after obtaining that particular order,
Hmm.
the mother visited the shared household
Hmm.
in order to stay there. She was again ousted and assaulted by the
mm.
respondent number,
Hmm.
here the
Then there was a
respondent,
direction to the police to protect her.
Lordship.
Then
Subsequently, Lordship, she was not provided with any shelter in the shared household despite of the interim order. Again, she was compelled to file the application, Lordship.
Hmm.
That Lordship will find page 44, Lordship, Annexure 5. Kindly have a look, Lordship. Annexure
Okay.
5, page 44. Last part, Lordship, last para.
before us is the mother.
Before us, yes, Lordship, mother and the 2 sons. And the interestingly, Lordship, both the sons, as admitted by the respondent number, respondent, Your Honor, Lordship. Both the
Now,
sons
now
residing,
daughter is married, the aggrieved person is married or unmarried?
married, Lordship. She is residing along with her husband and the property belongs to the deceased father of the respondent, which was jointly billed by the petitioner number one.
Heard. Mr. P. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioners, full stop. The present application is filed under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, number 1973, for quashment of DV case number 18 of 2024, pending in the Court of Learned Judicial Magistrate First Class, number 5, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati. Full stop. Issue notice returnable on give date 30th of July 2024. Full stop. The respondent, the petitioner's hearing, petitioner number one.
One.
Earlier it was filed by the petitioner number one.
Petitioner number one.
Petitioner number one, who happens to be the mother of respondent, sole respondent, earlier approached the learned court below seeking protection and by way of filing an application under section 12
Lordship.
of the Domestic Violence Act, full stop, which was registered as
DV case number 7 of 2021, Lordship.
7 of 2021, full stop. The learned court below protected the mother by passing protection order
On 3/2/2021.
on 3/2/2021, full stop. When such order was not implemented,
Lordship.
the learned court below by an order dated 21 to
21 to
to
Lordship,
21 to 2021.
2021.
Am I correct?
Lordship.
21 to 2021 directed the jurisdictional police officer to enforce its protection order. Full stop.
Lordship, it should have been 26 to 2021.
26 to
26 to 2021.
2021. Full stop. Full stop. Now the respondent
One miscase was also registered, Lordship. on
respondent
Same day.
had filed the impugn proceeding
Lordship.
against the mother and two of her brothers alleging domestic violence. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that this is an absolute abuse of the process of the judicial process, absolute abuse of judicial process, in as much as the said respondent is a married woman residing with her husband. Full stop. And such application has been filed only to counter the earlier proceeding initiated by the mother. Full stop. This matter, considering the matter in entirety, including the previous litigation between the parties, this court is of the view that the petitioner has been able to make out a case for grant of an interim protection. Accordingly, it is provided that the till return of notice, the further proceeding of DV case number
18 of 2024, Lordship.
18 of 2024 pending before the
Judicial Magistrate First Class, number 5.
first class number 5 shall remain suspended.
Lordship. Give your
Steps within 5 days,
Lordship.
both ways.
Lordship.
He's a party? Sharma is a party? No.
Private complaint.
Heard Mr. R. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Ali,
Lost.
first and foremost is the FIR,
Lost.
is not it?
Lost.
And we'll have to dig to the 100 feet below to find out your FIR. And 482, what not? From money received to everything is all above. And your FIR is, we'll have to dig it out from all those, what we'll say, we'll call it Jabras. Heard Mr. R. Ali, learned counsel for the petitioner. The present application under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is filed for quashing the FIR of Tezpur PS case number 67/2019, as well as proceeding of PRC case number 1231/2021, full stop. Peruse the FIR, comma, issue notice returnable on so and so and so. After 6 weeks, give it 30th of July. You are for one.
Yes.
Notice to the other respondents to register post at both ways.
Already on bail, Lordship.
Huh?
He's already on bail.
He is already on bail. It's a abuse, absolute abuse. Have you gone through the FIR?
Yes, Lord. Two FIRs, Lordship. One lodged by him also.
2010-11 dispute, now filing FIR. Let him file a suit. Admittedly, there is a contract. Where is that FIR?
71.
Page
71.
Peruse the FIR. In the FIR, it is alleged that accused and the informant are known to each other and they had business relations. Full stop. It is further alleged that one Dilip Kumar Ghosh, who is also a businessman doing business under Commander Works Engineer, requested, engaged the accused to invest in an work allotted to say Dilip Kumar Ghosh, and to complete on a profit sharing, engaged with a profit sharing basis. Full stop. According to the informant, said Dilip Ghosh contacted the informant, and on his insistence, the informant invested around 70 lakhs in the contract work. However, after the contract was completed, he was not paid his share of profit. Initially, according to the informant, an agreement was entered in the month of August 2015, and tripartite agreement was 15. However, the accused person has also not honored terms of such tripartite agreement. Full stop. From the aforesaid and also from the material so available on record, this court is of the tentative view that the matter is primarily civil in nature and has been given a criminal tone. Full stop. Therefore, this needs further consideration. Accordingly, as an interim measure, it is provided that till return of notice, further proceeding of PRC case number 1231/2022 pending before the learned additional chief judicial magistrate Sodhispur Tezpur cell remains suspended.
May it please your lordship, my lord. My lord, here, my lord, initially final report was given, my lord, page 16. In respect of the offense alleged in page 13, my lord. Page 16 is the final report. Thereby, my lord, after a full-fledged investigation, the investigating officer found that the case could not be proved as against these petitioners. And he accordingly filed a final report. Now, my lord, the informants have filed one protest petition at page 37, my lord. And the order, my lord, passed at page 43. This is the impugn order 1/2024. Thereby, my lord, he sent back the record directed for investigation to another IO. He has not accepted the final report given. So sending back the record and by another IO, that means it's a re-investigation. This is not a further investigation. Further investigation is permissible under 173(8), my lord. And re-investigate, what is the good and sufficient ground for disbelieving the earlier investigation? There's nothing on record. He has not, we have not been heard while passing this order. If it is by another IO, and case is not this, he has not accepted that report. If that report is accepted and my lord, if required some further investigation, that can
Okay,
be done.
we'll set aside and remand it today itself,
My lord.
with saying that he can exercise
Yes.
his power
Yes.
by giving a reasoned order.
Yes.
That's all.
Yes. My lord. And there is, my lord, the one judgment that.
Why you need judgment?
Yes.
You need judgment for this? Okay, show
Because,
us, you want to judgment, show us
Because the
judgment.
honorable court said, my lord, that concept of reinvestigation is alien to CRPC. And therefore, the magistrate does not have the
Why are
power.
you saying this is a reinvestigation?
Because by another,
Maybe another doing is, will it be a reinvestigation?
and my lord, yes, because in the judgment itself, it is.
Then we'll say proceed with the investigations, subject to final outcome. If you are arguing already, this
No.
means examination, we will to hear the other side. We are issuing a notice,
My lord,
nothing more.
one prayer, my lord,
Nothing more.
impugn order. Or my lord, direct for my lord, reconsideration of the entire matter, my lord, by the learned magistrate. My lord.
There were injuries. You might not be involved, but there may be some material we do not know. That is the mistake magistrate has committed. We do not think there is any other mistake. He has not recorded any reason why.
Yes.
Yes.
Very
That
short
is-
order.
That's all.
That is the.
Okay, we'll take this matter day after tomorrow.
Ma.
Today is
11.
Thursday. List this matter on Thursday.
Obvious.
We'll think over it.
Ma.
Better option is to set it aside, pass
Right.
and proper address in terms of the final report. Let him go through. If he is having satisfaction, at least then also he will also give a chance.
Chance.
The others also gives.
Obvious.
Okay, we'll see. We'll think it over on Thursday. Heard. These are the officers. Of
One is Secretary, Government of India.
Heard. Mr. P.J. Saikia, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by. You are Mr. A. KJ Saikia. KJ Saikia. The present application under section 482 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 is filed assailing an order dated 2/3/2024 passed by the Learned Chief Judicial Magistrate First Class Dibrugarh in complaint case number 132 within bracket C/2023, whereby summons were issued to the present petitioners. Full stop. The complaint case 132C/2023 issue notice. Issue notice returnable so and so date. Musumi. After vacation, this 26 steps both ways. State is not a party. Okay, full stop. The complaint case was filed. Peruse the complaint petition. Full stop. As well as statement under is those were there initial also and the statements of the witnesses recorded under section 200 CRPC. Full stop. Perusal of the aforesaid material. After perusal of the aforesaid material, this court is of the view that no case under section. Where is that? Cognizance order,
My lord, is 65.
page
65. 63, my lord, it comes, start from 63.
60.
63, my lord, it's first order, then lordship may come to 65 is the order taking cognizance. 65. Under section 406.
Under 406, 420, 506 IPC. 34, 506 IPC, okay? This court is of the tentative view that no case under, no prima facie case under so and so is made out from if the complaint, the facts narrated in the complaint as well as the statement of the witnesses recorded under section 200 CRPC are taken to be correct. First, accordingly, it is provided that the further proceeding of 132 C/2023 shall remain suspended till the return of such notice.
Okay.
Bail hearing, okay, item number 27. Lordship, after some time, Lordship.
Today there is no scope for after some time. Day after tomorrow.
Okay.
Twenty.
28 and 29, same case there will be.
Okay. BA.
Custody, your lordship, 38 days, your lordship.
Huh?
38 days, your lordship.
Where is the affair?
That is case number 8, your lordship. Relevant portion is case number 10, your lordship. For two accused, Tajang Konayak and Sanjay De.
Heard. You are Mr.
AAR Karim.
A.A.R. Korim. Also heard Mr. P. Borthakur, learned, Mr. D. Das, learned additional public prosecutor. This is an application under Swenson. Perused the case diary produced. Full stop. From the case diary, it is seen that the petitioners. This is our. This is what about the other?
Others.
Okay.
Sujit.
The petitioner has thoroughly been interrogated by the.
One thing, as it is depicted, my lord, this petitioner of item number 28 has been depicted as, my lord, linkman, but he is also
No.
grocery
Sorry,
store
sir.
owner.
That's why. That was
So-
the only apprehension last occasion I have not granted only because of him, and he has committed a mistake. Putting the same lawyer for the because he is from another state,
My lord.
maybe
No, no.
border, and
Nagaland.
then you do
Nagaland.
not know how it is linked.
No.
But ultimately, I think he is also he is a customer.
He is customer
He
of the-
purchases here and he sells there. Okay. There is the case there available. First up. It is seen from the case diary that the petitioner, both the accused has already thoroughly been examined. Full stop. By the investigating officer. Full stop. Also peruse the statements of the individual witnesses. Full stop. From the material so far collected, it is suggestive that petitioner paid some amount under threat to the extremists. Full stop.
4 lakhs. 4 lakhs total.
Wow. Full stop. Be that as it may, as considering the stage of investigation as well as the period of detention. Full stop. This court is of the view that no further custodial custodial detention of the petitioner shall be required. To the satisfaction of
CGM. Sorry.
CGM, so right. Dispose of both.
Oblige, your lordship.
My business.
Yes.
Solicited case, lordship, personal is behind over for 538 days. It is 1 year, 5 months and 22 days. During this period, lordship, after submitting of charges, not a single witness has been examined, lordship, till that.
Actually, here on the last occasion, lordship, the
1 year.
pen copy of the case that was called for, lordship, because in the earlier one, 161
You want to
statement
go
was
through
not-
it? Please just go
We'll
through
go
it.
through it, lordship.
Something is there.
Let it come up on Friday, Lordship.
Friday,
Friday, Lordship.
not Friday, Thursday,
Thursday. Lordship.
Thursday. Huh?
Lordship, may I know?
Huh? I have also not found anything. Just go through it. There is another. This is 1/6.
In the earlier occasion, Lordship, in the scan copy, CD was there, but the statements were not there, Lordship. Recorded on 161. So Lordship was.
Just go through it. We'll pass this order, whether that is received. Three bundles are there.
After
Okay.
some time.
Then we'll have to pass order. All of you. Or we are fixing it on Thursday.
Thursday, Lordship.
Thursday. If case there is not received, we'll pass an order that it will
Lordship, then
call for.
after some time, Lordship.
After some time, that's
After
it.
some time.
Let us see. Yes. Okay, we're taking AB, no? Yes.
Well, say, 31.
This is 30. None appears for the petitioner on call. The case there is received. None did represent the petitioner on 1/5/2024. Accordingly, the present application stands dismissed. Interim order, if any, stands vacated. Case diary be returned back.
31, Lordship, CD not received.
Any interim?
As per information, charge sheet submitted, but charge sheet number is not available with me.
Lordship, I'll take the instruction, Lordship.
Hmm?
I will take the instruction, Lordship. After a few minutes, Lordship.
Okay.
32.
Yes, salute.
We have CD not received, Lordship.
Any interim? When?
After vacation,
After vacation, give a date.
16, Lordship.
16, interim to continue.
4, 33.
May it please your lordship. This is the
Yes, dear.
application.
But they have appeared, Lordship.
Dispose of absolute. Case diary produce perusal.
4.
So, Lordship, CD not received and the petitioner is on interim.
After vacation,
18, Lordship.
18, interim to continue.
35.
Charge sheet submitted, Lordship.
Interim, there is interim, charge sheet submitted, being charge sheet number.
Lordship, charge sheet number 38/24, dated 29/4/24.
Okay. Dispose of. Interim to continue.
37.
Yes.
Interim lordship.
I
Duty
keep
appeared
waiting, you know. They have appeared.
Dispose of.
Such a big case there.
No, I have granted one case. I have seen some.
38.
38.
Yes.
The 430 application was in interim, Lordship.
Lordship, CD not received after vacation.
Interim to continue. When?
Lordship, can it be on 20, Lordship?
20 July.
Yes, Lordship.
July.
39.
39, Lordship, in this case, one vehicle was found in an abandoned condition, Lordship,
Hmm.
and there, Lordship, 25 kettles were found.
Hmm.
Nobody was arrested, Lordship.
Now who is he?
He is the owner of the vehicle, Lordship.
Heard. Learned counsel for the petitioner also heard Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor. Present is an application filed under suspension. First to peruse the case there. From the material available on record, it is seen that how many kettles?
25.
25 numbers of kettles were found abandoned in a vehicle. Accordingly, the case was registered. Full stop. Subsequently, it was found that the petitioner is the owner of the vehicle. Full stop. Case diary also reveals that the investigation has substantially progressed. Full stop. Considering the matter in entirety, this court is of the opinion that that in this case, custodial interrogation of the petitioner shall not be necessary for further investigation of this case, inasmuch as the petitioner can be directed to appear before the IO to get his statement recorded. Full stop. Accordingly, the present application stands allowed with the following condition within 10 days.
Thank you, Lordship. Lordship, FIR is page 10. CD was called for, my lord.
CD receipt.
It's long FIR, my lord.
Lordship, Lordship will kindly come to page 11, Lordship. We will see the number of vehicles, Lordship, stolen. Lordship will find at page 11 his complication, Lordship. All the accused person has named him, Lordship. He is the one who supplies stolen motorcycles, Lordship.
This is the person.
Yes, he is the main accused. It is also revealed that one Mufassil Ali, alias Alam, is the prime accused and he had stolen several motorcycles, including the above.
What is his name?
Lordship, he is Mufassil Ali.
Alias Mufsil.
Mufsil.
What it says? Case diary?
Lordship, all the accused person who have been arrested, Lordship, all those are dealing in stolen motorcycles. The number plates are changed and subsequently they are sold off, Lordship. All those receipts and everything was recovered, Lordship, and seen. All are fake.
Okay, then you go there and come back to us.
My lord, only Ganesh Kaur, my lord, he has implicated the present.
Everyone, Lordship.
Okay, let him have the satisfaction of Zaz looking into the case then.
Everyone, Lordship.
Okay.
My lord.
Why should we believe the additional people? Let us see. Isn't it? You have your satisfaction.
The last part, Lordship, will come. At a time, Lordship, he delivers 20 to 25 motorcycles at one go, Lordship.
He is a dealer of tips. What you want to suggest? Heard. Learned Counsel for the prison. The present application is filed under section 438 of the Code of Criminal Procedure seeking peruse the case diary produced by the learned additional public prosecutor. Full stop. The material so far collected by the investigating authority suggests that the present petitioner is involved in stealing of many motorcycles, and the material also suggests that under his direction and operation, a group of persons are involved in stealing motorcycle, car, etc. Full stop. Considering the above and the stage of investigation, this court is of the view that as there are sufficient incriminating materials are there, the petitioner is not entitled for protection of privilege under section 438 CRPC. Accordingly, the present application stands dismissed.
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship is a Mondal, my lord. He's on interim, my lord. His statement has been recorded. though he has not been implicated by the informant, my lord, may kindly see the FIR. FIR is at page number 9. Relevant parts, my lord, may see at page 13. What had happened is that the informant alleges that one power of attorney holder sold him a land which he has subsequently come to know that the owner was somebody else, and the informant was assured by one Lot Mandal.
Just a minute, just a minute. Who is this Merajuddin Ahmed?
Merajuddin Ahmed, as per the FIR, is a power of attorney holder of some plot of land, my lord.
Yes.
Though
What
he has
is his
appeared,
involvement?
my lord, he is the person who has given the field verification report when the NOC was applied, my lord. So, my lord, as per the, my lord, investigation so far, my lord, he along with Mirazuddin, my lord, did that thing, my lord. The
Anybody arrested?
Mirazuddin,
What about the others? Because prime accused is Merajuddin.
along with, my lord.
What about Merajuddin? Any bail application filed by Merajuddin?
Mirazuddin, my lord, he is.
Are you
he
aware
is
of your
arrested.
friend?
He is
Not my
arrested,
friend, my lord. This is.
but my lord, after appearance, my lord, the IO has given a detailed investigation and report, my lord, how this happened, my lord. So by contacting him, my lord, with the help of this person, Sukumar Ragha, my lord, the cell investigation, my lord, the field report has been prepared. After that, the cell deed has been done, and those my dark number pattern all are
So
different.
on his, do you propose to say that knowing very well that
Yes.
this land belongs to
Yes, that has-
somebody else, he has given a report on
Yes.
the basis of that further proceed,
Further
because
proceeding.
this is foundation.
Yes, and
We'll take it up this matter day after tomorrow.
Yes.
Now we'll see whether his
Yes.
maybe involvement, but whether
Yes.
his custodial interrogation
No,
is
I
required.
appeared twice.
No, that we understand. Whether it will be required or not, we'll see day
Yes.
after tomorrow.
That part, you know.
Oh, that much. Involvement is there, but whether it is
Yes.
required or not, we'll see that. List this matter day after tomorrow.
Interim coordinator.
Interim order, pass alias shall continue. The case diary be retained.
No.
Till then.
Now, my lord.
What happened here?
Here, my lord, what had happened is that the petitioners in this case are the directors of a company, my lord, public limited company. My lord, they have initiated a program in villages whereby, my lord, they provide trainings to the unemployed youth, especially by entering into agreement with agriculture universities of Jorhat. They also provide facilitate credit facilities from nationalized banks, my lord. Now, my lord, what had happened in this case is that, my lord, will kindly come to the FIR, because, my lord, here there are certain annexures which I need to indicate, my lord, because this is an omnibus FIR, my lord. In inviting a reference to the above, I beg to state that the above referred inquiry has been initiated at BIEO Assam on the basis of a complaint submitted by Brington Entity. My lord, may I take a pause here? This informant was an employee of this very company. His service was discharged by the company. Then he lodges this FIR. Submitted by Brinton, such and such, so and so place, along with Hemantro Gogoi, Managing Director of Pragjyotish Agrotech Limited, and his associate have fled away with more than 32 lakhs so collected from various villages in the name of retail grocery outlet in villages and some other schemes on fishery, poultry,
piggery, nursery, etc., and an enquiry was endorsed in my name for causing the enquiry. During enquiry, it is prima facie established that Hemanto Gogoi, so and so, Bichitro Moran, so and so, Komal Kumar Brahmo, Satyajit Bora, these are the name of the persons, my lord. I skip all this. And others have hatched a conspiracy and developed a company in the name and style of Pragjyotish Agrotech Limited and registered under
Where are you reading?
I'm reading the FIR page 19.
Okay, that we have already read.
Now, my lord will see.
Hmm.
My lord will kindly come to page number 20A first.
Yes.
They say, this is my certificate of incorporation, my lord. I am a public limited company.
Hmm.
It is not that it is any fictitious company.
No, they have also not said. They said that you have created a
No,
company.
but they are saying that I fled away somewhere. I have not fled away. Now, my lord will kindly come to page number 22.
Yes.
Now, page number 21, in fact, 21 is a memorandum of understanding between the Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat, and the present company, Marketing, whereby we say that the first party has agreed to impart training. First party here is the university, and impart training on animal husbandry. The second party will pay 2,000 will send 2,000 unemployed volunteers for animal husbandry training at Goat Research Station. All this, my lord will see kindly point number 8. The cost of one batch of training program for 4 days, for 4 days duration will be 1,91,000, this. Subject to a maximum number of 50 participants per batch. The second party will pay the required fees in favor of controller, Assam Agricultural University, Jorhat, 13 through electronic mode or demand draft. But these money, we facilitate people for all these things. Now, my lord will kindly see para clause 10, page 23. The Assam Agriculture University institution charge 10% of the total cost per training program will be deposited to the university general account, which is included in the budget provision. Now, my lord will kindly see another memorandum of understanding with the Northeast Small Finance Bank Limited, page 25. Now, from here, that everything started. Since page 25 was a bit hazy, so I have clearly typed it at page 24, the first page at least. That shows that it is an agreement between Northeast Small Finance Bank Limited and the petitioner's company. Present. What we do, my lord, we send a list of beneficiaries to the bank. We say these people are entitled, they are genuine people who want to do piggery business, fishery business, they lend loan to them, depending on our beneficiary list. Now, what had happened, my lord, is this. These volunteers, these villagers who has taken the loan, they could not repay the loan. There is a paper publication that these are the list of defaulters, they have taken the loan and they have not repaid. We, on our part, went to the number of people possible on our part. We tried to convince him that, see, if you repay the loan, in future also you'll get the loan. Now, the thing happened so that a major chunk of the person, my lord, they could not repay the loan. My lord will see. This is the agreement. On the basis of this agreement, my lord, loans were sanctioned. Tripartite agreement was made between beneficiary, bank, and our company at page number 30. This is one just example I have given, page 30. Tripartite agreement between the person.
What is your role in the tripartite agreement?
My lord, it is the list of beneficiaries is given by me to the bank. I am trying to facilitate.
No, any responsibility of yours under the tripartite agreement?
My lord,
Then why, what is tripartite agreement means there must be some binding in nature or anything. What is your role or responsibility under tripartite agreement?
Because because the list of beneficiaries is prepared by us.
So you want to say that you have no role except giving the beneficiaries list?
We also stand, my lord, because we had a goodwill with the bank, my lord. It is on.
You stand as a guarantor.
More or less.
No, that is what I am asking.
My lord. More
because there will be no meaning of a tripartite agreement. Ultimately, if there is no individual responsibilities of each of the parties.
My lord.
Isn't it?
My lord.
So I ask you, what is your responsibility?
My lord. Because exactly the responsibilities that I will be refunding, they say that on our assurance, the list of beneficiaries given by us, we have. Now, my lord, this is not a case that the beneficiary is a fictitious person. This is not the case, my lord. My lord will see, my lord, one or two more
So that
documents.
we understand.
One or letter by Assam University for training program. My lord will kindly see page number 68. My lord, it's very easy to blame people, my lord, because they make a serious, my lord. Nowadays, my lord, this every day in TV we see, my lord, this Isha Foundation.
Please, what happening nowadays, we are not very much interested.
So,
We are
okay, my lord,
interested in what is the case and what is the material. If you don't have material, we'll allow you. If there is material, what is happening in the system, we cannot see. And our eyes are therefore blindfolded.
my lord, page
Okay.
65.
Yes, page
65.
yes. Okay.
Now, this is a notice published in the newspaper regarding the defaulter, people who have defaulted. Now, my lord will see my bona fide at page 68. Even the director of Assam Agricultural University, he writes to me regarding the training program. The money which we collect from the people, my lord, we pay to these universities, we facilitate them so that tomorrow they become self-independent, my lord. This is my role, my lord, and it's not that I fled away anywhere. I have a registered office. That's my case, my lord.
That is very good. What we could understand from your case is that you are a registered company who facilitates the unemployed youth for a training through agricultural university. Then when they become expert, bank gives a loan to them. You become a kind of a guarantor. So therefore, just will want to know what is your benefit. You are not an NGO, you are a company. What is your benefit?
My lord, we because for this we charge some commission, my lord. Because
From whom?
my lord, suppose, my lord, my lord, suppose
No, just tell us from whom you are. Suppose a person, there are many unemployed youths.
Hello.
If somebody says that I will send you for a training.
We take subscriptions from the trainings. We take subscription from
That is the
trainings.
allegation.
My lord, that is the allegation.
That is the
Now, they could not repay the loan. I become a defaulter. They knowingly well, they have paid me money. It is not that I have promised them some government job, that you will be getting some job somewhere. That is not the case, my lord. That was precisely what I was trying to indicate, my lord.
Yes, tell us what is your case.
Lordship, a full-fledged inquiry was conducted, Lordship.
Their case is that your case will be this, subject to what is in the case there. That they created a company, no doubt about that. Now, where is your memorandum of association?
Page 21.
Page 21.
No, this is not memorandum.
20,
Your
20.
company's
Oh,
memorandum.
memorandum of association is not an issue.
That is the vital thing. What is the company you are authorized to do?
My lord, I'll ask my client to give a call.
Is that it? Because collecting money and appointing subscription, these are kind of a cheap fund business, chain business. So that you must have an authority under the memorandum of association, an article of association, that this company is registered for this purpose. Because you have a understanding with an agricultural university so that you can facilitate training. So between the agricultural university and the last customer, you are the man, because you will collect those people that these are the fit person. Agricultural university has posted the trust upon you because you are that expert. So you will bring them to the training. After they are trained, bank will have a satisfaction at least that we will give money to these people. so that they are expert, because you will certify them and you will also be a guarantor. Now you are collecting money from these people in the name of subscription. You are not NGO. Now, where is that power? If you have that power, if you can do it, if you have under that authority have done it, it's good. Otherwise, their allegation is correct. Yes, give me the case that.
Look,
MOA is seized.
no, look.
They will not do that.
Hmm?
Their opinions, they simply write their opinions. Your lordship is absolutely that MOA, even it skipped my mind. MOA should have
That is a
articles
vital-
of association.
What business can you do?
Articles of association and memorandum of understanding are the two basic documents to show
But-
whether they are absolutely.
Yes.
madam, absolutely.
What is your business?
Lordship in this case, madam, can it be fixed next to it? I'll, by means of an additional affidavit, I'll try to collect the MOA and the AOA, articles of association and the memorandum of understanding.
According to the note of the IO, Praxutis Agrotech Limited or যাবতীয় নথিপত্র যেনে list of director, dean, number of companies, company memorandum সংগ্ৰহ কৰিছে।
That is not in the case, the lordship.
Hmm?
Lordship, what is projected lordship is very different from what is the actual case lordship. If I may point out lordship,
Yes. What you do is seizing tenancy agreement. Where are those person according to you from whom they have collected money? Statement of
yes,
those.
lordship, in the last part lordship.
Huh?
From last part lordship, I have flag mark one of the.
Because you'll not go by the
Yes,
informant.
Yes, lordship. In fact, one of the employee who worked under them lordship, his statement is also there lordship. I have flag mark. The flag mark lordship will finish.
Nothing is there.
Is there, Lordship?
That an employee, your whole allegation is that they have collected money
Lordship.
as per your inquiry in the name of their company with a false promise that we are an organization, we can arrange loan for you, we'll do this, we'll do that, we'll give you grocery shop, we'll give you piggery, and accordingly, on taking advantage of their memorandum of association with agricultural university and some examples of giving loan, they have collected money for intending persons who want to develop their business.
Lordship.
And in the process, they have taken a huge amount of money.
Lordship.
That is your case.
Lordship.
Now, where are these materials? Except seizing what? Tenancy agreement. Is it the way BIO does investigation?
So Lordship, kindly come to page 65 of the application, Lordship. Here, Lordship will find regarding the loan, which
No, loan is fine. Loan, they have, bank has given loan. In this part, he is correct. This part is correct. No problem on that. If they facilitates, bank agrees to give loan through them, it's bank's business. Whether that loan is paid or not paid, how they will recover it, they will recover.
Lordship.
Admittedly, they have given loan.
Lordship.
They have accepted him to be guarantor. They will take this civil recourse.
Lordship.
No problem on that. Agricultural university enter into an agreement. They may cancel it, they may proceed with it. That is a different issue. But whole criminal color is that they have collected money from these people.
Lordship. Page 65 for a moment.
And that is only an officer,
Lordship.
only an ex-officer. Where are those beneficiaries?
To page 65 for a moment. Lordship.
Page 65 of who, what?
The bail application, Lordship.
Yes.
Page 65, Lordship, this is a notice, Lordship. Lordship will find in the 6th line, Lordship, it is proposed. It is proposed to repay the loans at 50% of the personal recovery amount by 10th March 24 at the designated branches of the banks. Our organization will review some internal aspects of each debtor and take measures to repay the remaining 50% on merit basis. Lordship, why are they agreeing to pay the loan, Lordship, if they are not they have not taken the loan, Lordship?
No, that is a different issue. Suppose they are taking loan.
Lordship.
This notice they have issued, that's why I had asked him a specific query.
Lordship.
What was your role in the tripartite? He has avoided, we'll read it.
Lordship.
No problem on it. So if there is a tripartite agreement on the basis of some third party has believed them, no problem on that. Loan is recovered, that is something different. But primary allegation in the FIR and in your report is that taking advantage of their position.
Lordship.
That I am a company, I have an access to the agricultural university, I have an access to a bank.
Lordship.
They have collected money and fled away.
Lordship.
So where are those beneficiaries for whom money has been taken?
Lordship. Their statements, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I will update the case day, Lordship.
Where are those statements? If this is the investigation of by BIO, we'll allow the bail petition, as simple as that.
Lordship will allow.
And what you are arguing is nothing.
Update the case day, Lordship. We'll update the case day.
The learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional public prosecutor, submits that he may be granted some time to get the case diary updated. Prayer is allowed, please this matter. Prayer is allowed. First up, Mr. Vishwas, learned counsel for the petitioner, also submits that he may be allowed some time to bring on record the memorandum of association, an article of association of the company, namely
Jyotish Acrotech Limited.
Park Jyotish Acrotech Limited. Prayers are allowed. List this matter on
Next week, Lordship. Or
next week, as you is. We don't have anyone.
next Friday, Lordship. That will
This
be
Friday? This Friday not
next Friday,
possible.
Lordship.
Not be possible for them, Malad. Next Friday,
21.
21.
Malad, at least, Malad, till then, let them go and give their statement, Malad. They are from Guwahati, Malad.
Not now, not now. On the next date we'll consider.
Lordship.
Not now. Here is the statement of one of their
Employee.
employee.
Two employees.
Two employees. They are also employees. Where are those affected
Lordship,
persons?
I understand. Lordship.
Yes, what is this?
My lord, there is
This
a
is
case.
my lord, out of my lord, holy, my lord, some, my lord,
Oh, holy,
yes,
Holy fact, my lord.
holy. How many days?
Holy fact, my lord, AB.
E438, my lord.
Oh, this is not a case for Abhi.
My lord, in fact, my lord,
Some other persons are also there, isn't it?
he is granted, my lord.
His materials are there against this person.
That was different. You are the person who is the main culprit.
He is the
Others
main-
accompanied
Yes,
when they are.
he is the main person.
In fact, my lord, I was, my lord, the driver, my lord, here, my lord. And my lord, I was driving the vehicle, in fact, my lord.
CD is there.
CD is there.
List this matter day after tomorrow.
My lord, and my lord, the service is not yet complete, probably, my lord.
Service is not complete.
Not yet complete, but
Better proposition.
if it is my, then service may not be required.
If we dismiss service is not required, but anyway, we'll adjourn on
I
that.
call, I owe my, like that.
According to you, you have not taken any steps. 10-6 report.
In fact, office of the IO, my lord, I am told that, my lord, it is sent to the, my lord, concerned PS, my lord, on 17/5 itself, my lord. But this is
No.
not coming back, my lord.
But there is no reflection that you have taken steps.
My lord, in fact, my lord, this is through the office of the PP. It's not, my lord, through the registry.
Okay, on the prayer of the learned council, put a parties, list this matter.
Here, one just.
On Thursday, not today, not
Yeah,
today.
yes, ma'am. One difficulty sometimes we face, my lord, the steps that were taken by the registry through PP office, my lord. But since it was sent by the registry, my lord, sometimes they send it directly to the registry dispatch section, my lord. But sometimes there it lies for some days.
Okay, we'll handle it.
they-
Okay,
uh,
so there are problem that it should be sent to the PP office. They send it to the registry. I have seen that.
Because as the address is the assistant register, as the address is there, my lord. So we are just between via media, we are playing the part, my lord.
You are post office.
Yeah, post office.
You are the post office.
Exactly, my lord.
So instead of dispatch, it will go to your
Yes,
post office
then-
and you will dispatch
yes,
it.
Then
Then at least you have a communication
Yes.
that I have sent it on such and
Yes.
such date. Registry cannot.
and
Okay, we'll
yes,
look
if,
into
well,
this.
And also, if registry directly send it, then will at least speed up
To
the
in-
process, my lord.
Okay.
Uh,
So what will be the better option?
because they are producing to the registry.
What option according
Because
to is better?
notice has to be because as per the rules, my notice has to go to registry.
No,
That-
to the registry.
that the
So
registry-
registry will issue a notice
Yes.
and
Again-
give it to the office of the public prosecutor.
That is what is my lord, is going on, my lord.
Going
Now
on.
it is, yes.
Now what, according
If-
to
if
what
it
should be
is
done?
If it can be sent directly by registry to the concerned police.
Police station with
then-
an intimation to you.
Yes, then my lord.
You can, because only difficulty is that we want to coordinate through
Yes.
PP.
Yes.
Okay, we'll have in administrative side, we'll have.
Yes, because since the address
Because
that we directly come to that, we are unaware, but it was left in the dispatch section. Sometimes it happens. my lord.
Next case,
My lord, that matter maybe on 20, my lord, 21, I'll be out of.
20.
20.
Hold on.
Timing action number 31.
Yes, there is there.
The case there is not there, my lord.
Charge sheet submitted.
Oh,
but
oh,
charge
yes,
sheet
yes.
Number is.
But yes.
Oh, search it. Oh, that.
Yes, that number, but we have not received the search sheet number.
Search it, not number.
Yes.
Search it is file. Are you sure?
No, we are not sure.
No.
Search sheet there.
He said that search it is submitted. Sharma was supposed to
Yes,
get it.
yes, we have taken the instruction, but not concrete instruction we do not have. And if my learned friend is sure the search sheet has been submitted, then it can be disposed of, my lord.
Well,
Yes.
as per information, PT information is better than our.
Okay,
we'll-
it is submitted
Yes.
by the by
Any
Mr.
day,
MP
madam.
Goswami Learned Council that he has an instruction that the search sheet has been filed.
No,
However, he is not having the concrete instruction.
Yes.
You are having an
Yes.
instruction from him.
Yes, yes,
Okay, because he is having the instruction is difficult.
yes.
Uh,
My lord.
They have to-
List this method day after tomorrow.
No.
You have the instruction.
Lordship.
Their instructions are more sound. Their instructions are more sound than ours.
We know that. Even as regards case there you will see. You will search on going on searching. They'll say no case there is not here.
Valuable one, my lord.
Yes.
They are just-
Yes, next.
54 timing action.
55, my lord, Thursday, my lord. I have seen, my lord, the
Okay.
extra copies of
on
the
the
scanned copies
on the
has come, my
prayer
lord.
of Mr. Goswami, let's this matter on Thursday.